brief us about yourself, like your schooling, your background?
So basically, I'm from St. John the Baptist High School here in Thane, and I have completed my graduation from Satish Pradhan Jnana Sadhana College. It's also in Thane. My graduation is in bachelor's in mass media. So and I live in Thane too. So now I went for my master's degree in film production. So it's my background basically.
So, what inspired you to study abroad?
I think the opportunities over there are very broad, and I think they are very uh, helpful for my studies. Basically, where I also learned that you should be disciplined and you should be in your limits so that you can achieve good things in future. So I think basically that's why I chose to go abroad and study.
Okay, so that's really great. So, how did you came in contact with Grad Dreams? Like it was through online or
No,
someone
no,
recommended
there
you?
was my sir in college, so I think he knew this thing about grad dreams. So he told us about this. So he also planned a small meeting over here. Then my parents also came. So they told us everything, how is going to happen and all those stuff. So we liked it, and I took the admission. So that's how I came to know about this institution.
So, who was your counselor?
My counselor was Pranaya ma'am.
Okay, and can you share some of your experience, like how was the counseling session
It
with
was good. It
Grad
was
Dreams?
pretty much good. Like they were all coordinating, uh, always taking update from me, like how is going on everything, uh, preparing my visa interviews and all the documents. So it was great working with them and staying around them when I was here.
Can you just say about your university, like which university you went and what course did you opt for?
So I went to Full Sail University. It's in Florida, Winter Park. So my course is of film productions master's degree. That university is all about VFX, film, uh, entertainment. You can call it an entertainment university because it's 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 in a huge it's a huge platform for all the students studying over there. I think it's great. The university is great for future scope where I'm going to do my career.
Um, like why did you choose USA? Like was it your first preference
Yeah,
or
it
you
was my
had this
first
something sort of
preference. No, no, it was my first preference because I think in USA, education is like on next level. Because I don't think other than USA, in other countries, it's not that much. But in USA, it's really, and main thing is there are so many opportunities over there. You can explore, you can do whatever you want. Like side by side, you can do other courses also. So I think that's what's my first preference for USA.
um recently your film got an award in the New York
Yes,
Festival, right?
yes, yes.
So can you share some of that experience? Like how was that film thing?
Uh, like it was horrible experience. Like not in a bad way, but in a good way. Because we shooted for like almost 24 hours, then we edited for 24 hours, like almost 2 days. We were not sleeping, continuous shoot, editing. It was like very hectic for us because it was my first time for doing some film like this. It was a short film of 5 minutes, but it was great working with the US students, matching their thinking and all those things were like fabulous. So this how it came to the festival. Basically, it was my project, not a goal to get the award, but it got an award. Like I feel lucky working with those.
So after winning, like how was it? Like you must be happy
Yeah,
inside and out.
I never imagined like it will win. I was hoping like yeah, it will go to semi-final and then it will come back, like something like that. But I was shocked when I got an award. I was really happy. Like it was my first achievement in 3 months. Like I got to know about myself. Like what can I do?
Who was your advisor at Grad Dreams?
My advisor was Tanaya ma'am.
And how was your journey with Tanaya ma'am?
It was great. She was like she's an awesome advisor, I will say, because she used to take update from me. She used to uh, say she was like asking me continuously, like, are you like doing good, or do you need help? Do you need, if you need some help, please come and contact. Like they were like so coordinating. It was like a very good journey with her.
So can you just tell some challenges like when you went to USA and what type of challenges do you face and what was the solution on that?
Challenges, like there are no, I cannot say there are challenges, but it's your patience. Like you are far from your family over the seas. You don't have anyone to pamper you when you are like sad or something. That was the only challenge, because you feel homesick for almost 2 weeks to 3 weeks. Like there is no one around you and you are all alone. There is no one to talk with you. These are the only things like you suffer a lot. But I think after 1 to 2 weeks it became normal, and other than that there were no challenges for me. The only challenge was to like understand what professor says, because the accent is different, the speed is also different. So that was the only challenge for me.
How was the student life when you went in USA and what it is when you study in India?
In India, I think students are like free. Means if you uh, tell them to do something like project or anything, or and you can say them like this is the time you need to submit this project, but they don't submit it. So but in US is like they close the portal. You have to upload your uh, project or whatever it is. If you don't, you get a zero immediately. There is a time limit, like if it is 13th of October, then it will be like 0.59 at 12 a.m. It will, the portal will get closed and then you cannot upload anything. Like you are failed in that. So it is like very disciplined over there. Uh, they are more curious about, not about the, what do you say, they they just tell like uh, just experience everything, work with other students, work on your own, get some experience, because experience matters the most. So I think this is the basic difference in India and USA in education.
And did you find any transformation in yourself? Like when you were in India, you were sort of like this, and when you went to US, you were sort of like this.
I cannot say like there was no transformation, because um, how I was here, I was there too. So there was no such transformation in me. But the thing was, my English got improved a lot. Before in India, it was not that much, but when I went there, it got improved. Like staying with them, learning new things from students all over the India. Oh, sorry, all over the world. So learning with them, doing works with them, doing projects. So it was great. I think yeah, that's it.
I've heard that you have given IELTS
Yeah,
from Grad Dreams.
yes.
So how was your experience? Can you share some IELTS experience?
Yeah, there was Richa madam for me. She used to taught me everything, teach me everything. So I think it was good experience. Also, like she was pushing me uh, give the exam as like as soon as possible, so that uh, everything goes up steadily and properly. So I think it was great for guiding.
And what was your score?
My score was 6.0. It was not that much.
That's nice. That's really nice. Not a big issue. That's really nice. So, um, the course which you opted, so was IELTS compulsory for that?
Yeah, it was compulsory, but there was nothing such as called as band. They were expecting like till 4.0, 5.0. It was okay with them, but IELTS was compulsory.
So, did you receive any scholarship
Yeah,
for
I got
your
a
course?
scholarship of $5,000 because there was an essay like you have to write about your university, like why are you going like coming here and what did you like about that university. So I wrote an essay and I gave to them. So that was the only scholarship I got.
So, how was your actual visa experience and how
Visa
countries helped you in that?
visa experience was like I was very nervous before going to visa. I thought it is like very difficult to talk with them, or like they are very rude sometimes. People have told me different experience, so I was really very nervous. But when I went to it, and before going to visa, one day before, there were mock interviews in Grad Dreams. Like they were very helpful for me. It was very helpful for me. Shrutika ma'am, I think she was guiding me for this, and she guided me very well. She was continuously asking questions, and if I'm not comfortable, she was making me comfortable at that point. So I think it was really good experience of visa also in Grad Dreams.
Um, According to you, how a student can improve his or her profile for abroad process?
I think the main thing is your marks. I think your three the semesters you are doing, like if you are graduating, then the most important thing is your marks, like uh, semester whatever it is, because it considers your total evaluation of in like 4.0 GPA in USA, which is required in USA. So if it is maintained, you can get a bigger scholarship, like almost like $20,000, $25,000 if you have a good GPA over here. So I think you need to maintain your GPA till like 75 to 80% at least. That's the only thing.
Okay. So, any suggestion for the upcoming students who are wishing to study abroad, or it is like any suggestion who are wishing to study in USA? Any sort of suggestion?
I think it has a great scope over there. Every course you go, even if it is engineering, like a film or an MBA or whatever course you select, I think USA is the best option for like from my point of view, where you can explore more things, where you can learn more things, you can meet different people, you can work with them, uh, they share some experience, what they have gone through and all those things. So I think it's best to choose USA according to me. Uh, I'll just recommend, like if you are giving first preference, then it should be USA according to me. I think it's my only suggestion. Like
If you want to recommend grad
I
dreams,
think
and like how can you say grad dreams for you? Like,
I think grad dreams help me, and I'm there because of this. I think I'll say that because it has helped me in every situation. Like according my exam, my paperwork, my visa interviews, and all those things. So I think the major part of my life to going abroad was Grand Kings. That's all can I say.